Hello everyone, myself Raman Sharma as an IELTS trainer. Today I am going to conduct one speaking task of my one of favorite student named Bhavika Suneja from Jakhal. And today we are going to conduct the speaking, and I just want that after watching the whole speaking, you people must comment the band score. People guess the band score, even you people can judge the band score. So without wasting a time, I am going to conduct the speaking of Bhavika Suneja. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Well, my name is Bhavika Sunisha.
From where are you?
I belong to a small town, Jakhal, which is in district Fatehpur, Haryana.
Fine. Bhavika, may I see your ID, please?
Yes, sure, sir. Here it is.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Very fine. We are going to start your speaking. I'm going to ask the three portions. In the first portion, that is for the task one, and I'll ask a few introductory questions. I hope that you would understand and give a better answers. Fine. So let's talk about shopping.
Okay.
Do you love shopping?
Definitely, yes. And I think who does not love shopping? I'm a shopaholic person. I love to do shopping, and not only shopping. Even I'm a kind of a person who even want to give gift from my shopping too.
Okay. How often do you shopping?
Well, it's not depends on the time. That it always depends on my mood. Whenever I want to do shopping or my mood is not good, I always prefer to go on a shopping with my mother and sometimes with my friends.
Don't you think that doing shopping is an expensive task?
Well, it is expensive task, but it is not even also it is not expensive task. It depends on the person. If a person is brand conscious, then definitely it is an expensive task. But when a person is go on a window shopping or some kind of other shoppings like street shopping is very famous in our country, then it is not a expensive task.
Fine. So, do you prefer online or offline shopping?
To be honest, it always depends on the situation where if, for example, I belong to a small town and the shopping malls are not available in my town, then definitely I prefer to do online shopping rather than to go on offline shopping. But if I'm living on a good city, on a metro city like that, then definitely I prefer to do offline shopping too.
Do you love to wear branded clothes or not?
It's a very tricky question for me because I'm not a brand cautious person. It depends on the situation. Like some things are very good if we purchase branded, like makeup products and cosmetic products are always good to have if you have a branded mind. But on a clothes, I do not prefer to waste my money on branded clothes.
That's fine. So, this is our task one, and now we're going to start the task two. I'll give you one cue card, and then I'll give you 1 minute. After that, you'll have to prepare and speak till 2 minutes. So, here is your cue card. Here is your pencil.
Well, there are many celebrities who are very famous in my country, some for their volunteer work, some for their profession, some for their singing and acting. It depends on them. And here I would like to tell you about my favorite celebrity, that is Diljit Dosanjh. He is singer by profession and he's Punjabi singer as well as the Punjabi actor. He debuted in a movies when he was 24 years old, as I saw the interviews of him. Not only that, and I'm very obsessed with his personality because he is very great and he belonged to a very small town, and his family background is also not so great. He's belonged to a middle class family, which that is the why I loved his personality. And he is also the member of transgender community, which is very great. And not only that, he always ready to give helping hands to others. He always ready to give help to others that who is needed. And even I saw many interviews of him in which he openly said that anybody can call me or contact him whenever they need it. In that doesn't matter in any situation. Anybody can DM on his Instagram. He is also very famous, as well as he is always online on Instagram. And not only that, he also the way he talk is very polite and his nature is so giving that everybody was very impressed in Indian society by his nature. And he's very famous. He became very famous when he was 23 years old. He debuted on his singing line when he was 23, and his first song was very famous. And The first song when he came out was got so much views on Instagram, which is very great. And whenever I saw him, I got very inspired by his personality and the way he talks, the way he gives to others. And not only his personality is very good, but also I'm looking forward to meet him. And in future I will definitely get a chance, then definitely I will meet him.
Fine, please. You spoke really well. That's it. So we are going to ask you to finally task 3, and in the task 3 I'll ask a follow-up question regarding the cue card. So my first one is, in your country, do people prefer to meet celebrities?
Well, if I'm talking about my country, then everybody have a good craze to meet their celebrities, to their favorite celebrities especially, and they have a dream to meet their celebrities, and I think they are doing very great for fulfill their dream.
Okay. In future, do you want to become celebrity?
Well, if I'm talking about myself, then I really do not want to be a celebrity in future, because if I will do anything very great, then it is very fine. But I would really want to spend my time, I really want to spend my life as a common people rather than to be a celebrity or something like that. I want to treat people as a common people.
What kind of the problem do celebrities face?
Well, there are many kinds of a problem they faced by people also and by their society also. Like their personal life is not their personal life if they are celebrities, and sharing their personal life is a very dangerous thing. And nobody, I think, want to share their personal life with anybody. Their personal life is not their personal life. They get printed in seconds when they do something wrong or something like that, and they have to maintain their image well. So this is the really toughest task, I believe.
Okay, fine. Who is a celebrity, a great celebrity in your area?
Well, I never thought about this question, but if I answer the one, then definitely I will say Diljit Dosanjh is the one who is very popular in my area, and the reason is because her mom is from our area from Jakhal district, Fatehpur district. So this is the reason he is very famous in our area.
So thank you very much. This is the end of our speaking. Thank you. ਸੋ एवरीवन ਇਹ ਸੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਥੰਬਨੇਲ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਚ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੈਸ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਚੋਂ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਕੀ ਆਉਣਗੇ, ਬਟ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਪਰਸਪੈਕਟਿਵ ਇਸ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਆਉਣਗੇ 6। ਮੇਰੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਕੋਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ 6 ਹੈਗਾ, ਤੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਕਨੈਕਟਰ ਦੀ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਸੀ, ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਹੈਗੀ ਸੀਗੀ, ਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਓਰੀਜਨਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਪਾਈ ਗਈ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਇਹ ਚ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਰੱਟਾ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਵੀ ਬੁਲਵਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ। ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਸੀਗਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਓਰੀਜਨਲ ਟੈਸਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕੋ ਲਖਤ ਕਿਉਂ ਕੱਢ ਦੇਣਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੈਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨਾ, ਤੇ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਇੱਕ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਰਹੇਗਾ। ਤਾਂ ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟਲੀ ਨੋ ਵਰੀ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ, ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਵਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਤੇ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰੋ। ਤੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਕੰਡਕਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਆਪਾਂ ਲਾਈਵ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਕੰਡਕਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ YouTube ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣਾ ਨਾਮ, ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਅਸਿਸਟੈਂਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰੇਗਾ, ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ Zoom ਐਪ ਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਐਪ ਤੇ ਲਾਈਵ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਨਵਰਸੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਟੈਸਟ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਕੰਡਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। If you like the video, kindly hit the like button. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel. Love you, respect you, all my brothers, sisters, my friends. Take care. Goodbye.